this video, I'll show you how to test Cloudflare DNS to ensure your internet is fast, secure, and properly configured. First, open any web browser on your device. Chrome, Firefox, Edge, or Safari will all work. In the address bar, type https://1.1.1/help and hit enter. This will take you to Cloudflare's diagnostic page, designed to verify if your device is using Cloudflare's DNS. Once the page loads, you will see a detailed breakdown of your current DNS setup. Look for confirmation messages showing that you are using Cloudflare's resolver. The page also checks whether DNS encryption like DNS over HTTPS, though DNS over EWTS is active. These protocols keep your browsing private and secure, protecting your data from prying eyes. If the page confirms that Cloudflare DNS and DNS encryption are enabled, congratulations! Your connection is fast, secure, and optimized. If you see errors or the confirmation messages indicate otherwise, you may need to review your DNS settings. You can configure Cloudflare's DNS manually using the addresses 1.1.1 and 1.1 either on your device or your router. Double checking these settings ensures that all your traffic flows through Cloudflare's secure network. And that's it. Testing your DNS is a simple step that ensures a faster, safer, and more private internet experience. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on navigating the digital world securely.